This video is to show how to install the manual circuit board that I am producing. I'm shipping it currently in a little small black box, looks like this. So, okay, and so when you get inside there, you're going to have this type of arrangement right here. So that all the wires will be connected up here and the wire collars are in place, so it should make it pretty straightforward. Next we go to the car. You want to remove this side panel. This is the left-hand side. On the left-hand drive car, it's near the steering wheel, so remove that. Go inside, and you need to take two things. One thing is you separate this plug, this is a plug that goes to the amplifier, as they call it. You separate this plug, and you need to take this fuse holder apart. Okay, and next, when you have that done, you follow the male part of the plug. The male part goes over to the old amplifier. There's a little blue rheostat in there, or trimmer pot actually, and the wires come out right next to it. So you want to take snips and clip it off back as close to that amplifier as you can. You can remove this thing if you're in the mood, but it's a lot of work to take it out, and if you're not going to use it, it's really not necessary. So just cut the wires free back there at the back. Okay, now that you got the pigtail off the car, strip all of them back about 1/4 inch, kind of like that, except the orange wire. The orange wire we're not using in this particular situation, so it isn't necessary to cut it. Then the next step is we're going to attach these down to the terminal strip on the controller board itself. On some of these terminals, it's hard to see. Okay, on some of these terminals, you have to loosen these things back pretty far. They make you think they're going to work, but they really aren't. So take the wire, and the top wire is the brown one, as we have here. So snug her down, give it a little tug to make sure it's snug, and then do that to all the rest of them. Okay, here we are connected. It's brown, yellow, white. Nothing connected to the +5. The green, blue, red, purple, and oh yeah, don't forget the black wire. It's connected to the fuse. So cut off this portion of the fuse holder, which also goes into the amplifier itself. So got to remember to get the black one when you're cutting free from the amplifier. So with the board like this, we're back in the car and we're ready to connect it. So we're going to connect this to this and the fuse holder there using the 1 amp fuse. And connect it like this. The orange wire is not used, so you can just tape it back and tape it up out of the way. Okay, then we turn it on. Set your fan speed to auto, and you can set this dial wherever, we can start in the middle is fine. And if we turn on the ignition, then we should see some activity. If I turn this up to 65 degrees, I get a blue light on the controller. The fan speeds go to max, and that's what we expect to do. So now we have maximum air conditioning. If we turn it down, the red LED comes on. So now we're down in the middle. It'll go there to a certain place and stop. Okay, stop. So still we have a little mix of heat and air. If we go down to 85, then we get the red light again, and we'll go down into full heat mode. And today I have a warm engine, so you can hear the fans cycle up. Okay, so we run back. Go back up to 75, we got a blue LED indicating we're headed toward cool side. and it stops in the middle. It stops anywhere. If you turn the dial, I have it on 80 now, so I get a little bit, I get the red LED, the thing moves more toward heat. And if I go up and set it on 70, we'll move more up toward the air conditioning. So it won't go to full air conditioning, but it'll cycle to air conditioning and probably, yep, we got a medium fan speed. And now it stops. If we're going up to 65, then they go back up, turn on high-speed fans. So this one tests out good. So now from here, our task is just to close up the little box, because we don't actually need to see the LEDs anymore, and close it up. Okay, box closed, we're ready to go. I usually just put them back in this area right here. There's a little space there that holds it perfectly well. So you put it back there, kind of wiggle wires as necessary to make it work, and put your cover back on and get on down the road. If you have any questions, get in touch with me. Hope everything works out all right, and guys, take care and be safe out there, and happy motoring.